work with wood and yeah, any type of soft material, plastics. Sorry. So what Robo is doing now, it's actually milling with an offset, so we don't touch the wood in this case. But you have to imagine that it's kind of like 2 centimeters closer to the actual bit when it was produced.
Less aggressive that this is the borderline.
So there are 3 stages of the fabrication on the turntable. So the first step is to cut the edges basically to the outline of the actual piece. Because when we cut it from the plate material, which you see the stuff that's against the wall, so that's the material as we get it, and then we cut out those shapes. So in the first step, the robot is cutting the piece to its actual dimensions, which means like taking off like another 10 millimeters or something on each edge. And then the second step is doing the miters. You've probably seen in Mr. Menge's presentation that the plates join, like 3 plates join from one point. So basically at that point you can't have finger joints because they would intersect with like also the neighboring plates. And in that case we have miters, so that's the second stage. So it's just went around once to do all the miters at the corners. And now this is the final stage where it's cutting the finger joints. And that where you see the tool is cutting perpendicularly to the material. That's where we have the custom made milling tool.